All right. Today I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles Mexican style. Okay, to get back to my Latin roots, I'm going to show you how to make ramen noodles Mexican style. When I was coming up learning how to make ramen noodles, there was a Mexican chef. He's probably like, one of the top Mexican ramen noodle chefs in the world. He taught me how to make ramen noodles Mexican style. So what I did was I made the ramen noodles, added the seasoning packet, and then drained the noodle. All right? And then what you do is you take some salsa. I have some authentic salsa right here. Right here. It's organic. All right? I'm going to add some of this salsa. It has authentic. And that's one thing. When you make ramen noodles, make sure it's authentic. You have authentic ingredients and flavorful vine-ripened tomatoes and jalapeno peppers. All right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some of this salsa. All right? Just a little bit because you only need like a little bit of flavor to it. And you have, this is what I like to call red salsa, okay? And then I'm gonna add a little bit of spice to it. Some people don't like spice, but I have this right here. It's Kahlua hot sauce. All right, it's original. You see, it's authentic. You see that authenticness right there in the picture. All right, it's authentic hot sauce, and so I'm gonna add a little bit of Kahlua to this, and voila. That's how you make authentic Mexican ramen noodles. All right? Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more great recipes.